Today, we will learn some vocabulary about some different activities. Say these words with your English voice. Karaoke bar. Karaoke bar. This is a form of entertainment originally from Japan, in which recordings of the music, but not the words of popular songs, are played, so that people can sing the words themselves. Ballroom dancing. Ballroom dancing. This is a type of dancing where two people use special steps and movements to do dances such as the waltz or tango together. Go-kart racing. Go-kart racing. This is racing in a small, low car or a toy car that you operate with your feet. Line dancing. Line dancing. A line dance is a choreographed dance with a repeated sequence of steps in which a group of people dance in one or more lines or rows, all facing either each other or in the same direction and executing the steps at the same time. Dog training. Dog training. This is the activity of teaching dogs general obedience, behavioral and movement skills. Arcades. Arcades. This is an area where there are many electronic or other coin-operated games for the public, usually found in a shopping center. Figure skating. Figure skating. This is a type of skating that focuses on jumps, lifts, death spirals, and spins. It is performed on ice.